How to use internet during call. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your internet service during your call. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, to use the internet during your call to someone, to some of your friends, to some relatives or anyone, what you have to do, first of all, make sure that your internet connection and your network is super cool. And then the second step is you have to go to your phone settings, and then after going to your phone settings, simply click on this option. You can see your SIM card and mobile data. So like sometimes if you are in a call you can use your internet, so to enable this process, what you have to do, simply click on SIM card and mobile data. So guys, here you can see the option use secondary SIM to access internet during calls. So what you have to do here, simply enable this and then go back, and then you can try. I'm 110% sure this method will help you out to use internet during call. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.